Hello, how are you? So this is the code that I have made for you. So let me explain the whole script to you one by one. So here you can see for running this code you have to install selenium. So by using this line pip install selenium, you can easily install selenium WebDriver, which will basically automate the use of the Chrome. So here then you have to import all of these are the library function. This all came from the selenium and other library function like pandas, pd, and selenium WebDriver, time, string, os, etc, etc. So what you will have to do, you will run this code. This is a cell, this another cell, this is another cell, this is another cell. So first you have to run this cell. So how will you run this cell? By clicking this run switch. So I have write a code here. You can see the print done. Whenever the run is complete, there will be shown that the run has been completed, like it will be written by done. So I'm running this, and you can see the Chrome driver is opened. Here Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. I have maximizes the window of the Chrome, and here yes, done, the whole cell has been run. So then after this cell we will run this cell, run. Yes, what are happening, let us see. Yes, done. Okay, let us see. Yes, it's went to this website. Then again run this cell. So what it's asking right now, that what will be the keyword, that will search into the job site. So let me write electrician. Okay, then press enter. So here it's done. Let us see. Just wait for a minute. Okay, that's occurs because the late, I mean, whenever you do the late, or whenever the entry of the code is done bit late. So the you have, what you have to do for this, you have to run this cell again, electrician, and enter. Let us see again. Okay, now we will run this cell. Let us wait for the done. Yes, done. Let us see. Yes, here you can see the electrician has been inputted. Then you have to run this cell. Let us wait for the done. Let us see what is happening in here. Yeah, they have searched through the electrician, and it found the all the jobs on the section of electrician. Now yes, the done has been printed. So here what I'm doing, that I am using a dictionary, I am declared a dictionary, and here you can see the keyword has been sent to the Chrome driver by using send key method. It's a method is the what is being used in the Selenium WebDriver. Then I have also used a click option, or click what should I say, like execution key to search through this website. So then I will define a library. No, I will define a dictionary, I'm sorry. So I'm running this cell right now. Run. Done. So a dictionary has been defined, which name is dic, and gc, what is basically it's a function that I'm defining, that, or variable that I'm very defining, that it will use panda to build a data frame, and the data frame will be concluded with this kind of information like post, company name, location, salary, job info, qualification, experience, apply link. Okay, after that let me go through the whole this cell. This cell is the most complicated one, because of this website doesn't have that much good information about the, like if I run, like if I can show you like this, we'll go in from there and can show you from here. You will see that every job post has different kind of structure. So whenever I want to scrapping the, like I want to scrap this experience, okay, so whenever I inspect with the inspect button, you will see this is not this is only a division and it doesn't have any kind of like id. So if you can see this, that the whole information is in a single id. The name of the id is vjs dsc. So whenever I want to scrap a specific information like salary, it cannot be scrapped because there this doesn't have any kind of unique id. Yes, you can see that this is just a division, and there how can I describe it? Like if I can go into this side, you can see the whole thing has been changed. And like if I want to scrap this information, so if I do the inspect and use the like I just want look, it cannot select the salary option because the whole information into a single id which is dsc. So like there is bracket and other things, but there is no unique id to scrap the unique information. So okay, then if that's the big challenge and that's the big problem that I have to face for scrapping this website. So what I did actually, so here you can see, first I have scrapped the common information like this one, these three, like the job post, the name of the company, and the location, and also the salary. So here you can see the salary is not, sometimes the salary into the job description post, and sometimes the salary into the what should I say, like into the caption. So that's why I have to, like I have to mention that there were occurring so many errors because it didn't find all the time the salary into this cell, like into this caption. If you go to this job post, there is no salary, so a error occurred because it cannot scrap any information about the salary portion. So there are so many, I have to do so many trial and error. It's really a challenging job for me. So here I have used the range of 15 because the page consists of, if you can see, you can the page consists of 15 job posts, and I have told that the page will be run from 1 to 50. So basically what will happen, it will run total 50 pages. So here if you can go there, you can see there is only 5 pages, but if you can see here, there are 694 jobs, so you can change it in here. So if you want to scrap more than 50 pages, then you have to change, like you want to scrap 60 pages, then you will to input, you have to input 60 in here. Okay, then I have used try. So try to scrap the company name, then the location, then the post, what is the job post, and what I did, then I have used the click function. So click function, what click function is doing in here, click function will click this electrician link. So after clicking, a sidebar or side tab has been established in here. So from that I will scrap the next kind of data that I have need. So then I have used try except. So why try except? So I'm telling that if you find any kind of information into this division and this span, then scrap this and input it into a salary or cell variable. So if you don't find this kind of thing, then except salary is negotiable. So why I am defining that is that the salary is negotiable, because they don't define any kind of amount of salary. So that's from that information I am assuming that the salary will be negotiable one. Let me see, it's okay. Okay, then I have defined another thing, link. So what is this link? Link mean, oh sorry, not here, link mean this link. Okay, so after that I have defined another variable called jd. So what jd is doing, jd is scrapping all the, like if we go there, all the job description or the job information from here. So after scrapping all the information, I write a text file which name is lets.txt, to store all the scraping information that I have found from the JD into this text file. So after that I open the text file again. So why I am doing this, because right now what I should do, I have to identify the qualification and experience from the all the jobs JD's data. So I am now using the string to find out the specific words, or what should I say, like I am using the list of the strings to find out the specific words, or find out the specific string. So here you can see there was like someone in the job post used smiley or something, like that is not data that is not scrapable by the anaconda or python. So that's why I have informed that if you find any kind of encoding cp1252, then if it occurs any kind of error, ignore it. And also for reading I have also defined the same thing. If any kind of error occur, replace it. So then I read the whole text file, then I read the length of that all the string, then I define two variable, one is find qualification and another one is find to experience. Then I define the name of the list. Then I here define that whenever the loop is completed, the list will be clear again. So there will be you can say that why should I define this if I have defined that one. So I have written it because I want to make sure that there will be no garbage data. And then I define a b c. So for w in range L, that I am defining in a list how much from 0 to all the lists. If find means if you find qualification in the list, then store the information into A. Then if you find experience in the list, store the information in B. And if you doesn't find any kind of information about qualification and experience, then store it into the C. So after that I define the dictionary, like, oh yeah, here I have to like clean the data. There are so many garbage data into the scrapped one, so I have cleaned this info. I have used this kind of string, import string, to replace and join whole the list into the string and the clean data. So after that I have defined the post, the company name, location, like this is the key and this is the value, key value, key value. Okay, then I have used the gc what I have told you, that gc is the data frame that I have defined. So and gc I told whenever all the information, all the value is into the key, append the dictionary into the gc. So after that I have printed the gc. Then I have stored the data into gc to excel jobs. Then I have stopped the scraping for 2 seconds. Then I have defined that if you find lets.txt file into the folder, then delete it again, so we can write it from the beginning. Now I will run this cell. Let's just run. Let's see what happened. The cell is running right now. Let us go to the Chrome window. Yeah, the pop-up occurs in here. I will highly recommend you to sign into the website to do the scraping much more perfectly and effectively. So let's see what happened in here. Wait for some time because I have used time.sleep. Let us see. Yes, scrapping. Stringer, Jammu and Kashmir, electrician, negotiable. Let us see. Due to the huge amount of data, it takes much time. So here the post is electrician, JK High Court is the name of the office, and the stringer Jammu and Kashmir, and the monthly salary is 63,200 a month. And this is the JD, whole JD. So what is happening in here? Let us see. So here you can see all the information from the JD has been scrapped in here. So right now this JD will be write into a text file, and then it will use this if elif else function to find out the qualification experience, that find the qualification experience into the text file or not. Let us see. Here you can see the post is electrician, the name of the company is key vendors, and the name of the location India, salary is negotiable, and job info is that, and there is no qualification, and there is experience in industrial and or commercial element. So if I stop running it in here, you can see it has started to scrap the next one to next one. It will go through one by one. If I stop running the cell and see the data frame, oh sorry, not go, the name of the data frame is GC. You can see this is electrician, key vendors, India, negotiable, we are looking for an expert, experience, this one. Okay, so if I go in here, and where is the file that I defined jobs here, yes, into the Excel file, electrician, key vendors, India, salary, this is the job info, that means all the JD. You can see you have told me to the keep the sequence of the JD like the page, the sequence is kept like you have said, yes, you can see in here. Then if I just go in here, okay, this is the qualification, no qualification has been found, and this is the experience in industrial and or commercial electrical system, and this is the apply link you have searching for. Okay, so till now I have scrapped, like if I want to show you, this is the data that I have scrapped, like 64 data, and it is still scrapping. Here you can see the same thing in here, post, name of the company, location, and the salary. Here you can see negotiable when the salary is not found, and 63,200 month whenever the salary is found. Yeah, all the amount has been included in here, and the job info, I mean the JD, and if I reduces the cell length, qualification, all the qualification, IT diploma, category engineering and facility, electrical clean handling, electrical vacancies, electrical to undertake category. So then experience 0 4 year Shilguri, experience in solar installation, years of experience, 4-wheelers experience 0 3 years, and the apply link. Yes, that's it. So let me send this video to you. Hope you will understand my coding. Thank you.